Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now today's video is going to be me unboxing the second BecauseRacecarbox that I've had on the channel. Here it is. This for August, I reckon, is it? Yeah, I think July was the last one. Either June or July, and this will be August. Anyways, let's get right into it. So, start by opening the box. Obviously, we have the card on top. This edition's got the R35 GTR on the front, and then on the back is a list of all the products and how to use them. Now, I did just see on there, on the reflection of the camera, god damn. So, people say whether this is worth the money. Obviously, you get a lot of things. In this pack, more than most, seems to be quite a lot of stuff in there. Last week wasn't as many, but it was still definitely worth the money. So today, for the first product, we've got an Auto Finesse glass cleaner, crystal glass cleaner. Now, a lot of you will know that Auto Finesse is my preferred product for detailing my car and stuff. I just like the way that it works on the car. I just think it works really, really well. They've definitely got a top marketing team for getting it out there and stuff, and this bottle alone would be about $8.99, $9.99, something like that, so it's definitely worth the money with all the other stuff that we've got in there that I can see now. Anyway, so let's move on from that. We've got an Auto Finesse, the art of detailing air freshener as well. Very nice. It always comes with an air freshener most of the time. Always, most of the time. This is for the Auto Finesse bottle. It's got a big bloody top on it though. So that's definitely for that. So that comes in it as well. And we also have another head. I'm guessing for another one of the bottles in the pack. Now if we move on, there's the two black gloves that we had in the last one as well. Oh, this is new. Detail Master car fume. Little car perfume bottle, so another air freshener, so I'll let you know what that smells like at some point. Oh, hello. Oh, hold on, we'll go past that. So we've got a microfiber cloth. Always handy to have a microfiber cloth or any cloth of that sort for cleaning the car. Right, now this product, the people that do the products is power maxed. Now these are supposed to be really, really good. Now I've never tried them, but apparently according to other people, because obviously I use Auto Finesse or Auto Glim, on the odd occasion I use a bit of Meguiar's as well, but yeah, so it's power maxed, quick detailer. I already have a big massive quick detailer. See that little blue floating chunks in there, look. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? So this quick detailer is speed detailer spray wax, ultra quick application and removal, maximise and extend the life of waxes, and suitable for daily use. Now, they're just the thingy. Here's a gloss enhancing speed detailing spray suitable for daily use and removing fingerprints, dust and water spots. A unique formula repels water and protects the paintwork, as well as removing light dirt and even tree sap. Suitable for use on all vehicles and even bike helmets. So that'll come in handy because I can get it on my bike helmet as well. On to the next product. We have Power Maxed again, ready to use tyre dressing. Now, this is pretty cool. It's a gel type tyre dressing, so it'll definitely be better than the spray-on types that you often get from cheap manufacturers and stuff. So basically, it just makes your tyres shine really nicely, but obviously because it's gel, it'll last a lot longer than the normal spray-on ones. And looks like the last but not least, we have the Wax Planet Redress matte finish interior dressing, use on all interior trims, plastics and mirrors. Okay then, that's pretty cool. It's formulated to leave a pristine anti-static matte finish to all surfaces. Oh, that looks pretty good. I've never heard of Wax Planet before. So yeah, so if you're wondering whether the BecauseRaceCarbox detailing subscription box is for you, definitely if you like detailing products for your car, then it's definite bargain. Makes it worth the value for money. Now obviously we have this, which is £8.99. These alone would be definitely like 3 or 4 quid at least each. That would definitely be something like that. That would definitely be about £3.99, £4.99. The cloth, a couple of quid. The auto finesse thingy, probably a couple of quid. The gloves don't only come with it anyway. And then the application spray tops. So if you're wondering whether it's definitely value for money, it is. I do believe that. So yeah, I appreciate you watching, guys. Thank you very much. If you do like the content, then please check out the videos here and here, and subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell notification to see all my latest content every time a video goes up. Thanks guys, see you later.